What's up guys? So I am roaming here in New York City. My mom is visiting for the first time. She's here, so I'm taking her around the city. Today I wanted her to try my favorite restaurants in Chinatown. I absolutely love Chinatown because you get good food for really cheap prices, and I'm gonna take her to each and every restaurant that I go. I want to see her reaction. I also want to show you guys which restaurants I visit and what all you get. So let's see how this goes. Our first stop is Hei Hei Roasted, where I have beef and egg over rice and pork fried rice. काय मम्मा आवडलं का? मस्त आहे. इंडियापेक्षा बरं आहे. I पण बोलते 100%. आवडलं? खूप आवडलं. कसं वाटलं चायनाटाउन? आणि जेवण टेस्टी. So my next favorite thing here in Chinatown is the ice cream from Chinatown Ice Cream Factory. I absolutely love the lychee rose flavor, and I wanted my mom to try. So let's see if she likes it. So it has a lot of natural flavors. This is sold out most of the times, but if you are lucky, you'll get this flavor. But this is a must visit ice cream place. So there's a new boba place opened in Chinatown, which is a Taiwanese tea place. It's called Sanche. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correct, but they have a whole preparation setup where they show how the tea is made, how they are preparing the drinks, and it's too advanced and scientific. I just tasted their bubble volcano boba, bubble volcano tea, and it is so good. I mean, you can actually taste the difference, like from the freshly made boba and the other boba place that we have. Cheers. Anyone who's ever visited Crawford Market in Mumbai, this is what I call this place, because there are like street shops where you get things for like cheaper as compared to any other places in New York City. So that's why I call it the Crawford Market of New York City. Next I am headed to a dumplings place, Jin Mei Dumplings. The place is famous for its pork dumplings, and also you get 15 dumplings, like fried dumplings, for $5. Just $5. And I always buy like 2 boxes, one to eat right now and then one to take home, because Nowhere in the city you can find such good dumplings for such great price. So I always order the pork and chive dumplings here at Jinmei Dumplings, and they are कसं आहे आवडली ते सॉस वगैरे आवडला का So this is the place where I have rice noodles with egg and beef. So the rice noodles place is shut because it's 4:46 and they close at 4:30. But that's all right. I'm gonna explore a few other places here in Chinatown. I really love their rice noodles with beef and egg. It's really nice, so I think if you are in the area you should give it a try. Thank you so much. And this is the final stop here at Chinatown, which is Cafe Hong Kong, where you get amazing Chinese food, but it's very close to Indo-Chinese. So I really love this place for fried rice and chow mein noodles. And this is the cafe. Since it's evening time, my mom was craving chai, and what a better place than Kolkata Chai Company. I like the iced chai more than the hot chai. The iced chai has saffron, so the flavor is amazing. My mom is not happy with the masala chai because of course तिला घरचंच आवडणार ना. I look dead. Hello everyone, so today I have come to Central Park. I am taking my mom around the park. We'll be just having a very peaceful summer walk. It's hot, so I'm not sure how peaceful it would be, but I'm just gonna take her like a quick afternoon walk, just explore a few places around and then visit the church on 5th Ave. So I'll be covering the 5th Ave as well as Central Park with her. Today we'll just be walking. The next time when we come here, we'll either do a picnic or cycling. So let's see how the day goes.
But you better brush your teeth 10 times a day. That's right. Here, mama, take you one of these for the baby. Light it up tonight. You can snap it and light it up tonight. The Candy Man. Give him one of these. Here you go. Oh, the candy. Oh, you didn't have to, mama. That's okay.
The most important thing when it comes to Central Park is getting the Magnolia pudding. I do that every time, and they have seasonal flavors, so I try and taste different flavors. So today I got a cold brew flavor which has coffee, chocolate chips, banana pudding, and it is so good. And it's my mom's first time trying it, and I'm very sure she didn't like it. तुला आवडला? नाही आवडला? Yummy! Wow! And I also got carrot cake, which is my favorite, and I'll have that too. खूप गर्मी आहे सेंट्रल पार्क मध्ये ना.
आपण चालत आले ना.
It's summer time, so of course it's going to be hot, but I think it's very humid today. No? तू बघड आम्ही खातात. आवडलं काय पण मला सगळं कॅमेरावर खोटं बोलतेही मला वाटते तरी. So for a quiet, peaceful summer walk in Central Park, I always walk the Mall Road and reach the Bethesda Fountain, and then walk around the boating area, sit there for a while, and then start heading to the 5th Avenue. I am taking my mom here for the first time. My mom gets tired very easily. Like, it's been like a hectic day to walk a lot. So we have been resting at quite a few spots. कसं वाटलं सेंट्रल पार्क?
मस्त सुंदर.
मग थकली कशाला?
चालून होते ना. खूप चालायला लागते.
हे खूप नाही आहे.
माझ्यासाठी खूप आहे.
Okay. People are playing badminton here. There is so much space. People are having like free salsa classes, free yoga classes, or free like any other dance class or any sport activity like football, volleyball, badminton right here. And the best thing is to do cycling if like you're too much into exploring and have that energy. Today we are not doing it because we are not wearing comfy clothes, but we would be doing that the next time. Today we decided we'll just have a chill walk. Our final stop before we head to the church, we are going to the St. Patrick's Cathedral on 5th Ave. That is what I usually do. Like if I'm coming to Central Park on a Sunday, that is my routine. And before heading, we're gonna have the carrot cake which we bought and just relax because it's too hot now. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and hopefully I will see you soon, or you'll see me soon. Bye. Chinatown ice cream factory. It's so it's our final.